Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor, 1914. Holla at your boy. Yes, I realized I was like, man, let me get some content out. Uh, First off, let's talk about it. Before we start, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Holla at your boy. My channel is about personal finance, how to make money. I make videos, all type of videos, how to retirement planning, uh, investing into dividend growth stocks, et cetera, et cetera. And what you're gonna see is I did a complete overhaul in my dividend growth portfolio. Now, my dividend growth portfolio, it is a dividend growth portfolio, but like most investors, once you've been investing for about 5+ years, you begin to make certain decisions where whether you want to continue to go down the dividend growth, dividend investing route. Do you want to invest for more total return? And that's what I plan on doing. So for me, I plan on integrating total return with dividend growth investing so that I have the best of both worlds, that I have stocks that pays me dividends, stocks that I rock with, stocks that means a lot to me. But then also at the same time, I'm also converting half of my portfolio into ETFs. Now, like most investors out there that I look up to, I know they rock with VU or whatnot. For me, I'm personally rocking with the Nasdaq. I'm rocking with. I realized I was spreading my money between Meta, Apple, and a lot of these companies. That I'm like, I could just buy QQQM or a growth ETF, and that would, because if you look at a lot of these growth ETFs like QQQ and SCHG, what you'll see is that the breakdown of the top 50% of the portfolio is in those growth companies. So I did that, but then I kept certain stocks along the way. But this today we're completely going to talk about how much I made in the month of October with dividend growth and dividends, because hey, uh, that doesn't stop the show, right? That's not going to stop the show. That's not going to stop the show. So real quick, how you do this is you go right here, you go to dividends, you go to apply real quick, and then you do for the past 60 days. That's how you do that. I get the past 60. I didn't press apply. So what you see is today, man, what did I do? So what you see is, so the beginning of October, I received dividends from VU because I originally had $2,500 into VU. So I received a dividend of $6.29 from VU. Uh, I am investing into the Taiwan Semiconductor of $5.25. Oh, and I received $15.53 from Regions Financial, and my next dividend is going to be around $25 because I've finally reached 100 shares of Regions Financial. And then at the beginning of the month, I received right. Oh, on right here, I received $8.48 from American Financial Group. That's my financial pick. And then also at the end of the month, which I sold my JP Morgan Chase. Kind of regret selling that because, man, that was my JP Morgan Chase was just a good company. What was his name? Something Diamond, Jamie Dimon. I received $12.57 from JP Morgan Chase. I had 10 shares. My shares of JP Morgan Chase had appreciated. I had bought it around 197 and appreciated all the way to like $250. So it produced a pretty penny. And then as we go into November, I began to start receiving my November dividends. But I wanted to show you guys real quick what I've done. So currently, right now, my portfolio is at 69,500. Is down a lot. And what you see is that currently, with all those sales, I began to just simplify my portfolio a lot. As you see right here, the better. to go to explain here is that I had roughly 24 stocks, and now I'm down to, if that, maybe 15. I still have my finance stocks of Aflac, uh, what you call it? What you call this? Um, American Express, Regions Financials, and this insurance company for my consumer staples. I got still kept Kroger's and Costco for my consumer uh, discretionary. Home Depot, Texas Roadhouse, Industrials, Eden, and United Rentals. And then for my tech, it's Nvidia, TSM, Broadcom, Microsoft, and right here I have ETFs. And now my plan is that when the stock market is booming and when it goes up, I'm just going to continue the dollar cost average into my ETFs. I have 2,500 into VGT. I have roughly 2,000 in SCHG, and I have roughly $1,000 into SCHD, my dividend focused ETF, and SPACs. I have roughly right now 6,000. And tomorrow, since Nvidia is going to be reporting on its earnings, if Nvidia, which I'm crossing fingers, does horrible, then I'm going to dump more money into my ETFs. If it's not, then I'm going to still buy. I'm just going to buy just a little bit because always be buying. I learned from a financial advisor. Forgot his name on the internet, but he's uh, I think it's the money guys. He always say, always be buying, always be buying, always be buying. And that's how I've really completely shaped my portfolio. I shaped my portfolio to receive dividends, but the main focus is total return. I want to retire in 15 years. I just had my 36th birthday on Monday. So on Monday, November 18th, I just turned 36. Happy birthday to me. Clap it up. But I wanted to really focus on, so for growth, I'm paying off my student loan. I want to knock out my student loan and knock out anything that I owe. And how I'm gonna get there is that I'm investing to. So not only am I investing to SCHG, I'm investing to VGT, investing into that per month, grow that. Use a portion of my money in VGT to pay off my student loan or whatever the remaining balance, and then focus on paying off my house so that that's one less thing for me to worry about for the next 15 years. And then I want to have a lump sum to live off of because I want to, and it may change between now and 15 years, but I want to retire in Thailand. So I want to take a portion of my money, half to live of, like, 200,000 to live on for 4 or 5 years, and let my rest of my portfolio grow. And remember, this is just my dividend growth portfolio. I have my Roth IRA that I'm contributing to, and then I have my 401k currently with my current job that I'm investing to, and then I have another portfolio. It's a growth portfolio that I have Nvidia, KLA, semiconductor company, Costco, et cetera, et cetera. So and then also I'm investing into crypto, Bitcoin along the way. Just showing, let you guys know, just my mindset, and right here. Uh, so we went through, yeah, we went through uh how much I got paid, but you guys don't know. Um, yeah, you guys don't know how much I got paid in terms of income. So this is how much I got paid in regards to income. So for the month of October, it's not normally this big, but the reason why it's this big, the 64.45, is because AFG this month or December is planning on paying a special dividend, and so that's why it's high. But the normal income amount that I normally get from AFG is normally around $30. $30. And so yeah. And so I'm currently at 68. This is not bad. This is not bad at all. Yeah, it's not bad at all. And what you see is that the last month of like anybody's portfolio are the it's the highest. It's the highest, and uh, so getting paid. So December be looking for me to get paid from Aflac, Home Depot, Kroger, Microsoft, Texas Roadhouse, uh, Broadcom, SCHD, SCHG. Hey, what can I say? We getting this money. And so that's what I really wanted to focus on and let you guys know that my portfolio is close to 70,000. I'm close to my goal of 100,000 in this dividend portfolio, and I made roughly $98 for the uh, for the month of October 2024. So in a couple days, I'll be doing my video how much I made for the month of November, and then we can go over stocks that I've bought and my dividend plan for uh, 2025. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Peace.